LEMCASE pizza cutter. Very safe design, blades with protective cover, got a hanging design, a handle with a hole, 4+inch handle with silicone, gives a nice ergonomic grip to it. You have your thumb over the area that you're going to cut your pizza. And we're going to show you what we're going to do with our pizza, the grandma's pie. Sometimes it doesn't get cut through the pizza shop, and that's why we have a pizza cutter. Let's open this up, show you what the blade looks like. Nice and close-up look for you. We have a piece of bread. I'm going to show you how simple it is to cut. That is pretty sharp indeed. If I want to cut it again, there you go. When all done, place inside the dishwasher and wash it up. Just in case when the pizza place doesn't make a solid cut, you're able to take the blade and make a better cut. There you go, look at that. Does a nice job, breaks right through the crust. Simple and easy.